Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB device detection issue in VMware, VMware USB device not showing up. Type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open VMware USB arbitration service, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. Shut down and start VMware Guest OS. Now USB device connected. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.